to solve this particular inequality where 1 minus 2x is less than or equal to 15. So for starters, I know I'm going to factor out a negative. I just want to review that right here. So if I factor out a negative 1 from 1 minus 2x, that becomes negative 1 times 2x minus 1. But since they're in absolute values, I can take the absolute value of the two products. So I have the absolute value of negative 1 times the absolute value of 2x minus 1. And the absolute value of negative 1 is positive 1. And positive 1 times 2x minus 1 is going to be the absolute value of 2x minus 1. That is going to come up in the problem here. So I wanted to review that before we get started by looking at the solution. So here's where I factor out my negative 1 right here. So I start with absolute value of 1 minus 2x. I factor out the negative 1, and there you see we have the absolute value of 2x minus 1, just like I did a few seconds ago. Now this is less than or equal to, so we have to consider all the values of x, which will make 2x minus 1 between negative 15 and positive 15. So whatever values I pick for x, 2x minus 1 has to be greater than or equal to negative 15 and at the same time less than or equal to positive 15. So my algebra techniques are the same. I add 1 to both sides. So negative 15 plus 1 is negative 14 and positive 15 plus 1 is 16. Dividing by 2, we have negative 7 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 8, which tells me that B is the correct answer.